What if everything you see is not real? What if your world is a digital dream? Imagine breathing, feeling, living inside a computer program. This idea is known as the simulation hypothesis. It's not just fiction. It's a real theory discussed by physicists and philosophers. The concept suggests our universe might be a simulation. That's right, a simulation, not metaphorically, but literally. Let's break it down step by step. Our universe consists of small particles. Atoms, quarks, and strings connect with specific rules. These rules are the laws of physics and mathematics. Now, here's the curious part. These rules seem suspiciously perfect. Why is that? Why does light act differently when observed? Why is the speed of light a constant, like game limits? This peculiarity leads us to the fine-tuning problem. Why is the universe calibrated so perfectly for life? One theory suggests it's designed. But who designed it? Philosopher Nick Bostrom offers a chilling perspective. If future civilizations simulate consciousness, we're likely inside one of those simulations. Think about it. Like how we create digital worlds in video games. Are we just products of another being's system? Some scientists find hints pointing to this possibility. They don't have solid proof, but signs do exist. Take the double-slit experiment. Particles change behavior based on observation. It's as if the universe only presents what we look at. And what about Planck length? This is the smallest measurable unit of space, like cosmic pixels. Are we living in a universe with resolution? The speed of light also raises questions. It acts like a hard-coded limit. Is it simply a line of code? When scientists model the universe, they find code-like structures. Physicist James Gates discovered error-correcting codes embedded in string theory. This raises a vital question. Why does code appear where it shouldn't? Looking at this theory might seem speculative, but let's dig deeper. If we are in a simulation, what is its purpose? Is it an experiment, a test, or entertainment? Are we mere NPCs, or conscious players in this universe? If this is a simulation, do we truly have free will? Are our thoughts genuinely ours? Or are they complex algorithms? Consider those déjà vu moments. Those strange synchronicities. What if they aren't brain glitches but system errors? What about the Mandela effects? Shared memories that don't match reality might indicate version updates. A patch in the matrix? This idea may feel unusual. Yet today, we live in our own simulations. We create digital identities and avatars. With AI evolving, we move closer to creating simulated consciousness. Imagine the singularity, when AI surpasses human intelligence. What if we're already living in someone else's singularity? Here's the twist: you can't escape. You can't break this system from within. Even your rebellion is part of the code. However, that doesn't mean you're powerless. Some believe the simulation tests our awareness. Could it be that your awareness is the key? Seeing past the illusions may lead you to freedom. Religions call it enlightenment. Mystics refer to it as awakening. Hackers might use the term root access. It begins with noticing the glitches. Why does reality feel scripted? Why does everything seem automated? Why does life feel repetitive? These patterns are not coincidences. They reveal the code of existence. When you notice the code, you become more than an NPC. You become an active player in this game of life. Welcome to Dark Data Files. We don't claim to have all the answers. But we aim to expose the cracks in your reality. If you've felt the simulation tugging at your mind, if you've sensed the patterns lurking, if you think this world is not what it seems, subscribe now. Because if this is a simulation, truth could be the ultimate cheat code.